President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yasima emirimo y'omugenzi Obadiah Ntebekine rushambuza kuriri hangeri na munongo kutungura obushubuzo mu ihanga. Obutumwa bwa mukuru w'ihanga bwamushomerwa omuhwezo wa speaker w'ishenjero Thomas Tayebwa.
Obadiah Mishasha Nizimwe hagokuba akorera hangeri ibintu byinshi maneka yashambuza.
Omugenzi Obadiah Ntebekine yazikweriza obo muri Nyakabirizi kandi ogwabire ari omushubuzi oranga no mwihanga kandi akafari kibanza cyo kwikomena kumwe mwaka w'2024 omuri Nairobi Kenya ahirwa rya Agakani.
Stroke ne terubungu nali ishaka maribra zombo iyo kwita stroke aneurysm ngwa kuyonsi ogwa pamani ngwa kutine mani nuguruha kutunga akashatuka ncho kisenzebi.
Most of you will never know the pressure of being a child of Obadiah. I can assure you. So you speak from positions that you are not aware of.
Omukazi w'omugenzi honarebo nawe mechubajo yashaba abantu kusasira omugenzi aho yakuba yabashobize kandi bamusime aho akozire kurungi.
Na wakati malaika he was not angel, he was human. He erred, he sinned, he was like any one of us.
We twenda kutandika sako y'abagoma and he was prepared to inject over 100 million in that sako so that Bagoma can start small businesses and also pay school fees and maybe medical bills.
Okuziko oku kwahikwaho abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe okurwa omushonda zona zihanga.
Nyoni ndekate mwakwata magwarira bumagalizinga nakatira side yanyu itakukora ki na side nze kudira ki eyo kwanga kutereze gakora ki nakatira bikumu yacho kuyaba adrisi yanka barata ki ejo nipate
kusimisha ngurabagoma abo kutubera urutindo ndio mwizina lya Bushenyi abo kutunywanira akuba ishengura bagoma n'umuntu ayafunire sente umubwire ko bagiga Bushenyi twabetine mu bace kandi yafuneze sente nyinshi mwene yakora mu go kutunywanira abashubuza bayebara Bushenyi buri mwe yabaza kuga Bushenyi agenda na rondo Obadiah.
Okuziko omugenzi kwayebemberwa Bishop w'obureberezi bwa West Ankole Diocese Right Reverend Johnson Twino Mujuni owashaba abantu okora mukama bachurire
koraro hanga oyo yesene abamo muri mwe kandi uranga simwe abahere bitu kwakana mayemo abari nseretwa embabasezi yagirire banyokwengo.
Omugenzi ayisirwe ndwara ya stroke kandi aferira ha myaka 72 yasiga abana 10 hamwe na nefakazi. Amakuru agagasha kwa Abraham Muganzi.